The BMW i4 was only introduced last year, so there aren't many modifications to the 2023 model's possibilities. A new, entry-level eDrive 35 model has been added to the roster. It claims to have a 260-mile range with a smaller 66.0 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The i4 M50 can be ordered with special M50 years badges from BMW. There are no longer any 18-inch M bicolor midnight gray wheels available with all-season tires. The premium package will not have the iconic Sounds Electric option, which enables a range of synthesized sounds to be produced via the car's speakers and timed with acceleration, EV motor, power, and performance. Depending on the model, the 2023 i4 supplies electricity to one or two electric motors. One of two single-motor rear-drive models, the eDrive 35 uses a 281 horsepower motor. A single 335 horsepower motor is installed on the rear axle of the eDrive 40. Both axles of the M50 have electric motors, which together offer all-wheel drive and generate 536 horsepower and 586 pound-feet of torque. The M50 we tested reached 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds, outperforming an M3 competition with rear drive. The rear drive i4 rides on a set of 18-inch wheels as standard 19-inch rims are an option. The all-wheel drive M50, on the other hand, includes adaptive dampers, variable ratio steering, and either 19s or 20s. The i4 M50 that we drove had immediate and powerful push, and while weighing significantly more than an M3, it moved competently and beautifully because to its lower center of gravity. Range, charging, and battery life. The single-motor, rear-drive i4 eDrive 40 can go up to about 300 miles on a full battery, according to BMW. The 81.5 kilowatt-hour battery in the dual-motor, all-wheel drive M50 is the same, although its maximum claimed range is 245 miles. With a 200 kilowatt charging capacity, these i4 versions can add 88 to 108 miles in just 10 minutes. The entry-level eDrive 35 model has a lower 66.0 kilowatt-hour net capacity battery, which is said to have a range of about 260 miles and a charging speed maximum of 180 kilowatts. The i4 can charge its battery from empty to full using the Level 2, up to 11 kilowatts, onboard charger in less than 8 hours.